NOKIA 7280 disassembly. Be sure to be connected to the earth connection box and your ESD wristband. You will need the following tools: the SRT6, the SIM tray release tool, metal tweezers, a slotted screwdriver, a dental pick, and the SRT10. Use the SIM tray release tool to open the SIM holder. Use the SRT6 as a lever to remove the slide cover. Open the A cover beginning at the bottom. Place the SRT6 between the A cover and the B cover and slide it along the edge. Always use a new A and B cover when reassembling. Separate the two covers. Remove the modules from the B cover as shown. Avoid touching the LCD with the fingers or a tool. Push out the key mat. Lever up the battery clip with a slotted screwdriver. Lift off the locking ring. Remove the battery. Unlock the UI module by first pushing it to one side. Now, lift the UI module as shown in the picture. Pull it close to the connector only, taking great care not to damage the rotator flex. Use a slotted screwdriver to lever open the C cover clips. Lift the C cover assembly off as shown, remembering that it is still connected to the LCD flex foil. Carefully turn the C cover assembly over. And disconnect the display connector with the SRT6. Unlock and remove the earpiece connector. Release the earpiece with the dental pick, being careful to avoid damaging the earpiece gasket. Use a clean cloth to push out the LCD cell. Protect the LCD with a plastic film. Release the remaining adhesive of the display conductive tape and then peel it off slowly. Release the engine module by slightly bending both the plastic battery guides of the D cover outwards. Put the engine module into the soldering jig. Use the SRT10 to release the VGA camera and remove it. The disassembly procedure is now finished.